welcome again to our channel Indians Galiapa in France. तो ये वीडियो है सिर्फ ऑन द एक्टिविटीज which we do, Varsha, me and one of our friend Melvin Naiker, which we do during this quarantine time, and how we are utilizing the precious time which has been given to us because of this coronavirus. So we are sharing some clips of the activities which we do. That's all. So please comment kariye, post kariye, whatever you do throughout the day since the lockdown has started. Maybe it can be you have learned something new, because some people have started learning like music, painting, drawing, maybe dancing, French or any other languages like that. We would like to know what you guys do. We need some more ideas as well, how we can utilize it in everyday activity until the lockdown is there. So that's all, and stay tuned.
Varsha and Madhvi, and they are learning quite hard.
89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99.
Okay, so Madhvi is cooking something.
Hey!
And Varsha is busy on her Snapchat.
Yes, hi. We are trying to, it's lockdown, so we are trying to make some Marathi dish which Melvin suggested. It's called zunka.
Yes.
It needs only onion, garlic, some jeera, and I don't know, besan.
Besan for sure.
Brown flour.
And
some salt.
Yeah.
And chili powder. That's it. So people who doesn't like chili, they can put green chili instead of the powder.
Yeah.
And Varsha is, I don't know, busy. I don't know.
She's busy with it, and yes, if
so the time is coming for dinner. So we are preparing la dîner en français.
And we are preparing zunka, Maharashtrian special.
No, please talk to the manager.
Yeah, please.
Take it.
So guys, as you saw, that's these are the things which we try to do, right, Varsha?
Right.
Yes. So Varsha is the instructor for us. She has good workout plans. She follows somebody on YouTube. I don't know. If you want, we can describe in the
Bollywood body.
Yes, something Bollywood body. So that's what we try to do. And second, we try to learn Francais, French, because if you are in France, French is must. And if you are living with so many people or whatever, you should learn to cook. And we try to learn it, and we try to make new dishes. And Varsha is an amazing chef. Thanks for watching our videos, actually, guys, because it is because of you we can come up with some content and we post it. We try to post it consistently, but I would like to tell or maybe suggest, if you're not doing anything, or if some of you want to know, want to spend time, there are some Netflix series which are quite popular, like Varsha and me are also watching some series, like we have seen Elite. We have started Money Heist, and we want to finish Money Heist, and we want to see what is it called? It's Prison Break. So this 2-3 series are quite popular. There are more series. I am sure there would be people who know more than what I'm talking about. And guys, अगर आपके पास Netflix का account नहीं है, don't worry. This is the time to talk to your friends and family and get to know if somebody has Netflix account. और अगर अकाउंट है उनसे यूज़र आईडी मांगिए और देखिए. So try to do something or learn some French series. I don't know. You can check all that. And that's all.